Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss about CoAP protocol and MQTT protocol. We compare these two protocols, and before that, just a quick review of this CoAP communication protocol. So here you can see how the data is transmitted from client to server and then from server to REST and CoAP proxy and then to REST internet network. And here the arrows, the black color arrow shows the CoAP communication that is happening between the client server and within the CoAP environment. And whereas green color arrow represent the HTTP communication in between the internet and the proxy, REST CoAP proxy server. Now, next, this is about data transmission between the entities of CoAP environment. Now, how this CoAP request is made. So, in this, you can see there are two servers, CoAP server 1, that is thermostat in bedroom and thermostat in the living. These two thermostat are placed in the house. One is in bedroom and one is in living room. So this is CoAP client, how it will request. So first, this is the format. First, there is a name of protocol. The protocol is CoAP. So here CoAP, then 5683. So what is this? This is the default port of CoAP. Now next is a device name. So here the device is nest underscore bedroom, indicating this. And then temp. Temp is the parameter that is to be controlled or name of the parameter. So for this, here the name of device will be changed. So this device is named as nest underscore bedroom. This is as nest underscore living room. And the whole next format is same. So this is one of the example to show the request response. Now next we will see what is the difference between CoAP and the MQTT. So basically MQTT model, the participants, the constituent of MQTT, message queuing, telemetry transport protocol, two main participants, one is publisher and another one is subscriber, whereas CoAP uses a request and response method. In MQTT, there is a central broker which handle the messages, where in case of CoAP, messages are dispatched on unicast basis. It means one-to-one basis. And MQTT is a event-oriented operation and CoAP is viable for the state transfer. And in case of MQTT, here TCP connection is long lasting and continue with the broker if it is essential for the client. Whereas in CoAP, there is a use of UDP packets for message passing and the communication. And in case of MQTT, there is a no message labeling, but they have to use diverse messages for the different purpose. whereas CoAP defines message properly and make its discovery easy. Let's see some more difference between this CoAP and MQTT. First is the abbreviations. CoAP is a constraint application protocol, whereas a MQTT is a message queuing telemetry transport protocol. And what type of communication is supported by CoAP? CoAP support request response model, whereas MQTT support publish subscribe model. And CoAP uses both type of messaging mode, synchronous as well as asynchronous, whereas MQTT support only asynchronous mode of communication. And transport layer protocol involved in CoAP is UDP, whereas in MQTT, this is TCP protocol, transmission control protocol, and the header size of CoAP protocol is 4 byte, whereas in MQTT, the size of header is 2 byte, and constraint application protocol uses REST principle, whereas MQTT don't use this principle, and constraint application protocol provides persistent support, whereas MQTT support only for specific data communication. Message labeling is done in CoAP, and in MQTT there is a this feature is not available. Message labeling feature is not available. And constraint application protocol is used in utility area network, and it has secured mechanism, and MQTT is used in IoT application and it is also secured, and effectiveness is LNN is best and MQTT effectiveness is low, and the communication model of COA constraint application protocol is 1-to-1, and MQTT communication model is many to many. So this is the difference between this CoAP and MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport protocol. Here you can see the difference between the CoAP and MQTT. Here all client have to interact with this broker, whereas in CoAP, client can communicate with different server and several clients can communicate with one server. These two both modes are possible in CoAP. So with this, thank you and have a nice day ahead.